Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Now, which egg should I open first? Let's see, we've got the Disney Princess egg, the Kinder Surprise egg, the regular type, the pink type of Kinder Surprise egg, and the Disney Frozen Surprise egg. I'm going to pick, my eyes are closed, I'm going to pick, this one here. So here is the regular Kinder Surprise egg. So, to get them to stand up like that, I put a bit of Play-Doh on it. Anyway, let's give this a little shake. Ooh. It's melting in my hands. Ooh. Okay, let's put the chocolate away. I'll eat that later. Okay, so wiping my hands off screen. Okay, so here is the capsule. Can you see it well? Okay. So, I've gotten one of these two. And I have this guy, so it looks like you put him on the spring and he can bounce up and down. Oh. Okay, so it's his head. Let's get this to focus. And that's the spring. Oh. Can you see it? Okay. Interesting, alright. I'm going to go on to the other Kinder Surprise egg. And this one is the pink one. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, it's better. It's better for you, isn't it? Oh, this is so soft. Okay. Oh, wow. So, Yumatic? Scuba type of thing? Oh, so it looks like there's this is an octopus or some kind of sea animal, and inside you can put things in, and it comes with this little piece of paper, and you can draw things on it? I don't know. Let's see what's in this. Oh, it's empty. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I could put little things in here later. How does this go? Okay, that's kind of cute. See it? Got sparkles. Very orange. Neat. Okay, I'm gonna open up this Frozen Surprise egg. And I have a feeling that this egg, when I open it up, is just going to crumble. It's not going to be soft like the other ones. Let's see if I'm right. See, I'm right. I think it's a little old. Okay. Okay, so this paper shows the different frozen items I could possibly get. And, oh, here it is. Oh, this guy. I can't remember his name, but I think I have about 6 or 7 of him. Guess he's pretty popular. Last but not least, this Disney Princess egg. So the cover here, the wrapping here, it has Snow White, but it could be somebody else. Can you see her well? Focus, focus. There she is. Oh, look at the pretty birdie. Oh, this one is soft too. This one is fresher. Oh, it's very soft. But my fingers got chocolate all over my fingers. I'm just gonna wipe my hands off again. So almost ready. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't want to ruin the surprise. I just want to look at this paper first. So, can you see this well? Let's make sure this focuses. So these are the different Disney princesses Bee can get. And this looks like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Don't know who that is either. This one has red hair, but it doesn't look like Ariel. That's Mulan. I don't know who that is. Or that one. Or that one. And that's Cinderella. So, she's got a blue dress on. Oh, this looks like Snow White, I think, right? Yeah, this is Snow White. You can see she's got a little hood and this elegant dress. I just love these dresses that come, these figurines and these Disney princesses eggs because they almost look like glass. Okay, so let's get all our prizes out together. And let's put them here, next to the trees. Beautiful toys.